One of the things I didn't get away with when I was on holiday is this. This poor little apple tree I put in the spring, and it looked like it settled down really well, but while I was away we had a really hot spell of weather, and my neighbour was brilliant about watering, but it wasn't quite enough. It hasn't really got much of a root system down there just at the moment. So the poor thing suffered, and it's coming back really well now. I've got some lovely new growth on it and it's going to be absolutely fine. But you'll notice there's a lot of apples on it. And that is because it's trying to reproduce itself. It is setting seed because it thought its days were numbered. And frankly, they were at one point. But now all is well, and I need it to conserve its energy and put that energy into leaf growth and root growth. So I'm going to take every single one of these apples off. Next year, I have no doubt it's going to be as right as rain. It's going to give me a lovely, lovely crop of apples. But this year, it is no apples for Jane.